Welcome to my home lab. In this new video, I want to install Portainer Business Edition for free. We start our video on the website from Portainer.io. You go to Get Started, down, and you see we have a couple of options. The first is get 3 nodes for free. That means for a small home lab, it's ideal. You go to get 3 nodes for free. You fill in the form, name, email, country. Have you used Portainer CA before? What platform? Tell us where you use Portainer. See, it's business, home, student, and how did you first hear about us? You fill it in and you activate. After a couple of minutes, you receive 2 email messages. One with a lot of information. Welcome to Portainer Business Edition. See here, a lot of information. You need support. And the second one with your license key. See here, here is your Portainer Business Edition license key. I have here the key. If you want to do that, you have to use your own key, because this key is no more valid. I have deleted it. Once we have received our license key, we go to the website from Portainer documentation, install Portainer Business Edition with Docker on Linux. See here what we need. The license key, of course. I'll show you at the start of the video. The first thing is create a volume. Second thing is to run this command. Then we can go to our containers with Docker PS, look for the right container and log in. Now we can go to the command line and give the commands. For the next step, we open the command line and SSH to our Fedora server. Enter and we are logged in. We go to the browser, install Portainer Business Edition with Docker on Linux. Go down and copy the first command to create a volume. Copy it, command line, paste it, and enter. The volume is create Portainer data. Again to the browser. The next command is to run Portainer. Copy it, back to the command line and paste it. As you can see, Docker run, detach mode, ports 8000 to 8000 and 9443 to 9443. We give it a name Portainer. Restart always. We have a couple of volumes and Portainer BE long-term support. The latest version of Portainer. Enter. Cannot find it. Wanna download it. See it? Downloading. Can take a minute. Downloading is complete and we extract it. Extracting. Et voila. It's okay. Now we do Docker PS. And you see we have our Portainer container running. 11 seconds ago. See, port 8000 is open and 9443. And the name Portainer. Now we can go back to the browser, open a new tab and do https to save 192.168.129.9 port 9443. Enter. It's not private. Okay. Unsecure, and we are inside. We need to create a new password for the admin user with at least 12 characters long. Create user, and we need the license key. I copy the key, copy it, and paste it in. Paste it, see the key, and submit. Et voila, we are in. Now we can complete. We click on Get Started, and you see we are inside. Live Connect, and we have dashboard, templates, stack, containers. If we click on it, you see we have Portainer and a couple of test containers. We have images, again Portainer and a couple of test images, networks, the bridge, the host and the none, volumes, Portainer data we just created. The next step is to install Portainer agent. To install and use Portainer agent, we go to environment related. Open it, and you see we have one environment, the local. So this one. We go to add environment, click on it. We use Docker standalone, but as you can see, we have different options. Go down and start wizard, click on it, and here you see the command to install Portainer agent for Linux and Windows VLS. Here we connect to a foreign server with Portainer agent installed. But first we're going to install Portainer agent on this server, on our Fedora server. Therefore we open the command line, see, do SSH to our Fedora server, click on it, and we are inside. I copy the command, copy it, and paste it in. As you can see, Docker run, detach mode, port 9001, the name Portainer agent, restart always. We connect to a couple of volumes and use the image Portainer agent 2.27.9. The version of Portainer agent has to be the same as the version of Portainer. Enter. Cannot find the image, so we download it. It only takes a couple of seconds because it's not so big. See, it's only 17. Was there. Extracting. Everything down. And okay. Portainer agent is installed. We can go back to our browser, go to containers, and you see Portainer agent. You can also go to images, and you see here the image Portainer agent. Now we go again to environment related, add environment, standalone, start wizard. I have another server with Portainer installed. I copy the address, copy it, and paste it in. Give it a name. It's OpenMediaVault. The HTTPS can be removed. Only the IP address or the name and the port 9001. Connect, click on it, and you see environment created OpenMediaVault. If we go back to environment related, you see we have two environments now, local and OpenMediaVault. For the moment we are on local, you see it here. go home, and we can connect to two environments. So you see local, we are connected, OpenMediaVault, live connect. I click on it and we are inside. We have a couple of containers, images, networks, volumes. Now I'm going to connect to the different Portainer and see if I can connect to this Portainer with Portainer agent. We open a new tab and go to our second server. It's 192.168.129.10.9.443. Click on it and you see we have a Portainer Community Edition. Only one environment, local. So we go to environment related, add environment, Docker standalone. You see it's the Community Edition. We don't have too much options. Start wizard. The same to install it. Name, Fedora server. And the address is 192.168.9.9001. Connect to it. The environment created, Fedora server. You can go to environment related and you see we have two environments. Now we go to home. See again, the two environments, the local. So local is this one, is the Community Edition. Fedora server is the Business Edition. Live connect, click on it, and voila, we are inside. Templates, stacks, we don't have stacks. Containers, you see, Portainer and Portainer agent, and the two test containers. Images, again, Portainer agent, 2.27.9, Portainer container, long-term support, and the two test images. Networks, bridge host unknown, and volumes. Only one Portainer data. So, that was it for today. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you very much and see you later.